Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Here in this video I do have the REALME GT8 Pro phone and I'm going to tell you how to swap the camera island, which is DECO system, in your device. At the very beginning you have to have this type of screwdriver. You can find this yourself in a box that you have received with your phone. If you don't have it, you can't do it. As you can see, as I think this is a star, as I can see, but this is a star screwdriver, so you have to remember that you have to have the same exact thing. Now, you don't really have to remove your case. I think it's never better if you do have the case or not. Let me quickly zoom it in for you so that you should see everything clearly on the screen. This is, as you can see, our device, and this is our screwdriver. That you, of course, as I said, find in a box from REALME. Put your screwdriver here in this screw. This is the screw, and this is the screwdriver. Put this in so that it could easily fit, of course, and you have to put a little of force and just unscrew this screw. Do partially this one, go to the next left one or the right one. As you started with, for example, left, go to the right and unscrew partially both of them. This is because you can't just have the 1% force from the left and 0 of the right. You just have to do it partially. This is the screw, the first one. This is the second one. And we can put them here. If you lose the screw, there's a couple of them in the box, but actually I don't have the other one here. So yeah, this is the phone without the DECO system cover here. We don't have the camera cover, camera island right here. This is just the plain phone. And now you just have to take the new one. I do have the circle one. If you do have, for example, square or some 3D printed one, just use it yourself, but you have to, of course, remove a case. I don't have the other case. I don't have the things 3D printed. I just have it the same. So now carefully place it so that you won't scratch anything, and place it as it was earlier. It has to fit nicely in the hole. As you can see, it's just like this. Let's maybe, I think, remove the case so that it should be feeling better. Just my simple impression. It's like this. Let me just find quickly some plate for my phone so that it won't scratch. It looks like this. Now, have your camera cover in your hands and place it again like this. It shouldn't be moving. As you can see, this is slightly moving, don't worry. And now take your screwdriver, put it in there. This is a magnetic one, so don't worry, it won't fall out. Put and screw partially in the hole. Now once it's done, get another one, get this screw in this screwdriver and do the another screw. Of course, you have to remember that you have to screw these screws partially, not in the 100% force on the left, 1% the force on the right. Then you have to remember to change the places from time to time. Left and right, of course, but I have to just find the hole, and without my glasses is just more difficult than you might think. Now I can fully screw this one, the right one, and fully screw the left one. Of course, you have to remember that if this is 3D printed, you have to have it ideally fitted, is because it won't be that waterproof. And now, as you can see, if you can shake your phone and nothing comes out, and it's, if you see here still fit. That's nice. Now we can wear cover back again on our device. Maybe we want to wear a cover, but put our case back again on the device. And now we are ready to go. Of course, we can now take our screwdriver, take our box and put everything back in there. But that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.